Container gardening is one of the most rewarding and space-saving ways to grow food, but it comes with its own frustrating challenges. Plants grow fast, roots get crowded, and nutrients vanish quicker than you'd expect. For a long time I kept wondering why my tomatoes looked pale, why my herbs stalled mid-growth, and why I kept needing to water constantly without seeing results. I tried slow-release fertilizers, organic liquid feeds, and compost blends, but nothing really delivered long-term results. That changed when I discovered a little-known method that turned everything around: layered compost core feeding. This approach doesn't just feed the plants, it turns the entire container into a living, breathing ecosystem, recycling nutrients from the inside out. The method is simple yet powerful. Instead of relying only on top dressing or liquid feeding, I began building a core of decomposable organic matter right down the center of each pot or grow bag. Around this I planted my crops, allowing their roots to slowly reach toward the nutrient-rich core as it broke down. Over time this created a constant, gentle release of nutrients that never overwhelmed the plant or washed away with watering. What makes this method stand out is how well it works with the way plants actually grow in containers. In pots, roots don't have the luxury of searching far and wide for food. Everything has to be available nearby and in a stable form. By burying a compost core, made of food scraps, crushed leaves, banana peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells, I provided a buffet of slow-releasing nutrients that the roots could tap into gradually. The plants thrived. Leaves stayed green longer, flowers appeared faster, and fruit production increased dramatically without any synthetic additives. This method also improved the structure and moisture retention of my potting mix. As the core broke down, it encouraged microbial life, which in turn aerated the soil and created better drainage. I noticed that even in the peak of summer the containers stayed moist longer. I wasn't watering twice a day anymore, and with healthier microbes came better disease resistance. My peppers stopped getting blossom end rot, basil leaves stopped turning yellow. It was like hitting the reset button on every struggling plant. What surprised me the most was how forgiving the system became. Even when I missed a regular feeding or, skipped a compost tea session, the plants didn't crash. That buried core acted like a backup battery, slowly releasing energy to the roots, even when I got busy. And as a bonus, it turned my kitchen waste into plant food, cutting down on what I threw away and boosting my garden without spending more. To take this one step further, I began using cloth grow bags with this method, which allowed for more air exchange and better root pruning. The combination of aeration and consistent nutrition from the core made my root systems stronger and more fibrous than anything I'd seen in standard plastic pots. This led to bushier plants and better harvests, all while reducing the need for constant fertilizer applications. It's important to prepare the core properly. I usually pre-compost the scraps slightly or at least chop them fine before burying them in the container. This avoids any strong smells or pest issues, and it allows faster breakdown. After placing the core, I fill the rest of the pot with a rich, well-draining mix that includes compost, coco coir, and a handful of worm castings. Then, I water thoroughly and plant around the edges, letting the roots grow inward over time. The beauty of this technique is that it works in any container from 5-gallon buckets to balcony rail planters. Whether you're growing herbs, greens, tomatoes, or peppers, this fertilizer method creates a self-sustaining loop that balances nutrition, moisture, and soil health without depending on synthetic inputs. If you've been struggling with inconsistent growth in your container garden, give the compost core method a try. It's simple, budget-friendly, and truly transformative once it gets going. For more real, results-backed methods like this, make sure to subscribe to Hydro Haven and share this guide with a fellow grower. We're here to make gardening in small spaces smarter, easier, and more productive than ever.